this morning we're going to do a cleanser. A very, very quick video. We're not stay too long because people have to go to work. Alright. Here it is. So we're gonna forget, yeah, some lemon like this. And we're gonna start them in the morning like this. All right, guys. Now, if you just wake up this morning and you're saying to yourself, boy, I never see this before, get in the kitchen and do this. Do this, guys. Please go in the kitchen and make this one. Honestly, it's very good for cholesterol, very good for weight loss, very good for your liver, your kidney, flush out the immune system. Please do this. And then once you do that, pour it out like this. Okay. Here it is. That's the Cayenne, that's the lemon juice. Now, we're gonna get some cayenne pepper and we're gonna put this on it. All right. So put this inside of it. Yeah. Now I beg you, please do this. And trust me, very, very good for you, for the immune system, guys. All right, the cayenne pepper and the lemon juice and the olive oil. Get some good extra virgin olive oil. Okay, you can get this in the supermarket for buy or your local shop. Now we're going to put a little bit more inside of it. Come on, guys, like up the video. Give it a mix. You want to do this first thing in the morning when you wake up. All right. And then pour it out into a shot glass like that. Here it is. And it is very, very simple. Okay? Now, this is only 3 ingredients. Okay? 3 ingredients, and you can get these ingredients to buy in your local shop or your supermarket. Cayenne pepper, olive oil, and mix it together and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Guys, I'm telling you. Now, the reason why I take this Monday morning is like, say you wake up yesterday and you eat certain kind of food, then this is something you want to drink this morning when you wake up this morning. All right, you wake up this morning, you go into the kitchen, this is something we're gonna change the whole entire body for the day. So you drink it on an empty stomach like me now. I didn't eat anything this morning, okay? So this is the first thing which I'm going to take this morning. I want to encourage you to do this one. Very good for cleansing the stomach. You know, yesterday you might eat some pudding, you might eat rice, you might eat some chicken, you might eat some beef, you might eat some lamb, you might eat some rice and peas. Then this morning, it is something you want to do. All right? What is in it again? We got half a lemon. Here it is. This is how the lemon look. You got some seeds in it. Olive oil. You need to get some olive oil. Extra good virgin olive oil. All right? And this is some cayenne pepper. And you can get cayenne pepper to buy in your local shop or your supermarket. All right? And teaspoon of this lemon juice and teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch of the cayenne pepper. All right, guys, and I'm encouraging you to do this one this morning with Chef Ricardo. All right, so get yourself into the kitchen and don't make it too comfortable. If you're at work, when you go home, you can make it before you eat your dinner. All right, so I'm gonna take this one right now, and that's the way it look. So if you never see this one before, welcome to Chef Ricardo. All right, you're welcome.